Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome your designers for Button Bonita, Serikar Priyanka, Kasam Pujita, Kamisetti Kalpana, Sri Devi Adevi Kalonu, Edalokanti Mansa, Bolampalli Suma. Come up on stage, guys. Good afternoon, ladies. Very good afternoon.
Thank you.
Now I can safely say I've never seen so many buttons in one place at one time. Yeah, so well done on that. You stuck to your theme. Talk to us about it. Talk to us about where this came from, how you implemented it, and how you're feeling now that this show has just happened.
Yes. So, first of all, we would like to thank Akila ma'am and Azra ma'am. Thank you so much, Akila ma'am and Azra ma'am. Ajita ma'am, thank you so much for giving this wonderful opportunity. Thank you. So, thank you so much, everyone. So, our theme is buttons. So, actually, we use buttons as functional statement. But we want to experiment these buttons as fashion statement. So we use these buttons and created some motifs and also used some embroidery, simple embroidery in our collection. So
And how are you feeling right now, seeing all of that play itself out on the ramp?
actually we all are very
Amazed. No words.
no words at all.
All right.
Also nervous.
It's all right, guys. Congratulations.
Thank you so much.